Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's been doing well. I know these chickens have. I got off work early today. I thought, you know what, this is a perfect time for me to take advantage of the time off and check out the chickens, see what's going on. So they are growing quick. I think they're sitting at 5.5 weeks. I have to check on my calendar. But this batch is doing good. We did lose one. We're not quite sure why. But yeah, so we just kind of woke up one morning and one was gone. So Joe said that the night before he saw that it didn't seem like it was doing too good. Labored breathing or something. Anyway, so yeah. I can't believe how fast the grass is growing. This was 2 weeks ago that they were on, and then that section was last week, so it's starting to grow in again. And then of course now we're over there, but we're going to move them back here over the weekend. This is awesome. Grass fed, non-antibiotic chicken. Hot and muggy, so I had to put my hair out. Yeah, so I got off early, like I said, and you know, I never thought that this would be a thing. So I'm scheduled usually for 3 loads a day, Monday to Friday. And if I miss a load, they'll pay me for however many I missed. So I'm going to be missing 1 load today. So I'll get paid for that, like as if I did the load. So that's awesome. So I'm in my garden and I want to check out the zucchinis and the spaghetti squash. I do see some starting, but it's taking forever. I don't know what the deal is, why I'm not seeing, I'm not seeing more growing. And I did harvest my cabbage, when was that? A couple days ago. So I took that. There's 3 of them still left behind. But I got my father to shred it up for me and just throw it in the bag and throw it in the freezer. And I'll deal with it later. Or I'll not deal with it, I'll cook with it later. And look at this, I didn't realize. I was like, what is this viney thing? Turns out it's morning glories. Are they pretty? So pretty. I wish they weren't on the ground though. They were supposed to be on the fence. My scarlet runner beans, pole beans, are really flourishing here. We got lots of flowers. My goodness, look at the size of that one. The length of this one. These are really, really good. I'm just going to train that one to go up the other way. Get up there. You can just eat, I eat them just, yeah. They're so juicy. And then you see the purple bean. I got a mosquito trying to get me. Let's see if I can open this up with one hand. That was so good. Here we go. Come on. because I just usually just chop them up whole like that and cook them that way, so we eat the pod and the bean inside. Oh, we got a couple cucumbers. When I'm working all week, I don't get a chance to see what's happening in the garden. Usually until the weekend. Let's get this over here. Excuse me. Usually not until the weekend, so I get nice surprises like that. Unfortunately, my 3 bell peppers, not doing good at all. Got lots of green beans, bush beans right here. Look at this pathetic looking, I shouldn't say pathetic. It probably hears me. Cherry tomato plant. There's the second one. It's trying to produce. It was for Joe. What else do we got? Lots of flowers. Oh, I know. I gotta show you. So good. Gotta show you. Catnip. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize how it can just spread. Look at this. That's all catnip. That's crazy. Obviously gone to seed. But man, bees are liking it. Let's see if I can get some bees, because there's a bunch of them in here. And these aren't just any bee, these are honeybees. So somebody's got honeybee hive around here somewhere. I'm trying to get you guys a close-up. But I'm seeing like, oh my gosh, I don't know. Oh, there's also my echinacea in there too. Shoot. Let's see if we can see that purple flower. My echinacea's in there. I love this flower, it's so pretty. Now I come on to the other side to see my echinacea. The bees are like, wait a minute. Another thing I've been getting infested with is this weed, but it's burdock. And it is just like huge all over my property. I don't know where, it just almost like it came out of nowhere. I'm like, why do I have so much burdock? Now, it's medicinal, and I've got many people that are actually wanting to come and pick it. And I'm saying, yes, but you have to educate me on it. And tell me what it's all about, so I know what I have on my property. Big pine tree has to be down. There's going to to be quite a lot of more clearing that's going to be happening soon, very, very soon. We're going to be keeping these trees. There's like 4 of them, I believe. 3 for sure, but 4 of these maple trees. They're going to stay, and all that's going to be cleared. I'll keep this birch tree up, and this tall one that's also a birch tree. I'm going to keep that one up, and then we're going to get it all cleared. I can't remember if I said on my last video about a neighbor who offered to do the pulling out the roots there from the pine trees, the stumps. I had a brain fart, sorry. Anyway, and all I gotta do is pay for the fuel for his excavator, and I just really feel blessed. I have black flies trying to eat my hand here. Anyway, I feel really blessed. Well, the neighbor of the neighbor I'm talking about. Anyway, so I feel blessed that he offered that. So, but we're also, because of the big tree that we cut down, we're letting him have that because he's got a mill at home and he wants to make a nice slab for I think his son or something like that, or son-in-law. Anyway, that's a nice chunk that he can do lots with. And the width of it, like, my goodness, like crazy. Hello, Ethel, and Terry, and Fred, and the rest of the gang. Go down there. So we were wondering what Ethel, the turkey, where she was laying her eggs. We found out. Look at this. So beside the red coop, go along. I'm going to walk you over to the side of the fence. And she's made herself a little hole right in here. So this is where she lays the eggs. There was an egg there. It looks like Joe must have grabbed it on the way up. We went back to the house. My tomato plants up here are doing well. These are early girls, and these ones here are the early girls. Which one was this one? Celebrity tomatoes. And look at this. This right here is stinging nettle. Another herb that I need to harvest. Don't know how it got there. It just decided to grow there. I don't know where the stinging nettle would be in order for it to grow here in front of my garden gate. But Joe didn't know what it was, and he touched it and he couldn't believe how much it was stinging. And he said he wanted to rip it out. I said, oh, no you don't. No, I have to capture that. I have to harvest it. So, oh, these black flies. So anyway, that was funny when he told me that. But no, the tomatoes are doing good. Lots of flowers. The stems seem pretty, pretty thick. And there is some tomatoes starting. Like I said, the planting that happened this year, I planted late. And I was lucky that I even got what I have got. Luckily, I planted a lot last year, which is being carried over to this year for our food storage. And so it's got to get ate up anyway. But I feel okay that, you know, I'm not panicking that I don't have food stored, but I do, and I will be going shopping at the farmers market and shop local and support local and our local farmers. Speaking of farmers, my beef farmer that I get my beef from, he's going to do pig as well. So I'm still going to be doing pig, but probably not till spring. But anyway, I said, put me on the list. I'll take a pig. So that's what they're doing. And so I'll have fresh pork in my freezer as well. So that is awesome. I was hoping to get actual footage of Joe taking down the tree. We had a neighbor that's got a crane truck, as you can see. Excuse me. Just finished eating. Anyway, we had to take this tree down. It was pretty rotted inside, and didn't want to take a chance that that was going to fall on the house. So, thankfully we had that truck, but it only took Joe like an hour to get this down. But you can see how how big the tree was. Man. I wanted to keep this one though, but it's starting to lean over to the side. But I think that's because this tree was taking up its space. But I don't know if that'll ever correct itself, but anyway, it's a healthy tree. It's all right. We got a lot to clean up. Okay, so this part though looks pretty healthy. But a lot of the branches, they kept falling off and landing on the road. So I thought, you know what, let's just take it down. Well, sorry I didn't get footage of it though. actually turned into stairs. I thought he was going to do a mantle or something, but I guess not. Wow! Look at that.
You want to cut it more?
Yeah, I do. You can make me one.
Maybe that small. You don't need something this big.
Why not?
Huh? Well, first, this will fall apart. That'll snap off.
Depends on how you black it or whatever.
Well, you'd have to redo it. It would come apart like that. There, it's probably decent.
I don't know. It is. Tika girl, what'd you do? So I'm hot and I'm shedding. I'm turning Mommy's house into a fur house. Mommy's house is full of fur everywhere. Yeah. What do you think? You got stories to tell? Oh yeah. Fred will look after it, and there goes my toe. Come on, One Toe, come back. Get off the road. Come on, you. Get back home. I know. We had to let him out. He hasn't been out all week. No, 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 no. Unbelievable. Are you done yet? Now listen to this. Hurting each other, drawing blood. Okay, that's enough. Come here, babe. Let me see your face. Yeah, you keep telling them. This is my house. Well, he needs a timeout. Cool it. What?
You have to go to the principal's office?
He's got to go to the principal's office, yeah. He's getting reprimanded. Yeah. And you tell him, right, Fred? You're the referee around here. You break all the fights up. You don't like fighting. Yeah, the sun's coming out finally. Oh, they took off in there. And the mommies are over here. Mama, want to get your kids?
There it is.
Where? Hello, Mama. No, it's okay.
Watch out for Aunt Gertrude. She might be coming too.
She's going to listen. Where'd they go? Should be another one, right?
Yeah.
There was two that went in here, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Where for outdoors? I don't see you.